Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your earbuds SoundPEATS AIR 4 Pro. You have to start by open SoundPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have right here. Here we go. Then you need to click at the Equalizer icon at the left bottom. Right here we have it. And right here we have Equalizer, and here's preset. Click at the preset. And here it is, bass boost. Select it. So just tap on it. And now as you can see, if we go back, we have a bass boost here, so we selected this preset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!